things happen quick when you have the right machinery. Oh, we got some jackhammering happening back here. Oh, that's a water table there, isn't it? Woo! Down in 5 inches. Time to go pour some concrete. Hey guys, welcome back to Camp Aspinall. We're back at the abandoned garage today where it's day 2 of the foundation pour. Let's go. So this was done last week and this will be done today, so they tie into each other. Check out the addition on the back. We're gonna come out 4 feet. So this was poured in sections. The corners were done first, so we skipped 3 feet, so it all gets tied in today after the inspection by the building department. What you finding? Well, we got to plan services in here too, water and wastewater. The kitchenette's gonna come and be on that side. The bathroom's going to be through there as well. But it still just makes sense to run the services into this corner from the street. There's gonna be a bathroom here and there's gonna be a bathroom up above and a kitchen out here. Well, we're getting ready to look at taking this roof off. We're gonna extend it up even higher, put a dormer out this side with a bathroom. It's gonna be awesome. Up here and out the back. Quick update back at the main cabin here. We tested the shower base yesterday. We filled it with water and then we marked it with a line. I mean, I know it's going to evaporate, but we wanna see if it's going to leak or hold the water. And so far it's holding the water. A tornado warning in the area yesterday. No damage. I can't believe the foundation's going to be done today. I am so freaking excited to start pulling back the roof and just seeing the sky from the inside. So after the second foundation pour today and the forming at the back, we can begin framing the new exterior wall that's going at the back, because we're going out 4 feet and we're going up with a steeper pitched roof. We ordered trusses and the windows are in. 7 new windows. 4 upstairs because the 2 dormers and then the 2 gable ends. 3 new windows are going downstairs. From the electrical debacle we had when we took possession, we live so close to the border, all the electrical was American product, which is fine, but it doesn't satisfy Ontario code. So when we took possession, we had to strip all the hydro out and start from scratch. So I am so excited to be finishing foundation today after the inspection. Well, I just got the official email that the footing inspection is a success. So we're gonna go over and pour concrete today. But you gotta check out this lake. Get it out there today. The ocean is crazy. Rain is starting. Shouldn't affect the cement pour anyway. Well, forms are in. That looks great, huh? There's the rebar tied into the existing slab down to the ground. Looks like we got a window out too. Oh, I hear noise up there. So I have to pour back here to bring a new foundation up to the same elevation as the original slab floor of the abandoned garage. And then we're gonna put an existing exterior wall here and pull this out 4 feet. I'm gonna tie it in there, there. Like that. Told you someone was living up here. Someone was sleeping up here. So we've already started taking this. This roof's got to come off because there's a new truss system that's going up. Because we're going to build a full loft primary bedroom up here. Oh, yeah. That's going to be awesome. That's going to be awesome. I'm not wearing the right foot attire. Ooh. Plus, I'm just filming, so get out of the way, hospital. Done! I'm so stoked for this. Beyond stoked. Basically rebuilding it. We're down to 2 walls. This back wall's got to go, and the side wall, half the wall's got to be torn down. But we are not doing hindsight. This was always going to be a remodel edition and not a rebuild. You also get to grandfather in things when it's an addition versus a new build. Pros and cons to both. It's not like we've done this before. Oh wait, we have. If you can't tell, I'm having one of those moments where it's like, what the heck have we done? Should we have just knocked it down and started over? No. Nah. It's got to have the original character. It's got to have the original footprint. That's what gives it its charm. Check on the new footing here on the back side. The new pours today feeding into the other pours the other day, last week. This is where the hydro has to come off because the roof's got to come off. Come around to the front. So this is new here, tied in. Still wearing the right footwear. Well, and that's how you underpin a foundation on an existing slab from an old garage or an old cabin. If you're just tuning in, we had to pour underground so we could go up. The original slab foundation was only 24 inches. Not enough to support the load of a new roof with a dormer and a bathroom up here and a dormer on the other side. So we had to go down 4 feet. Window and a dormer and a window. And straight up like this, a pitched roof, dormer, new window, new doors. A dormer on this side with windows facing the lake, which is out that way. Gnarly. I am so excited for this project. So affordable. When you do it right, you keep the utilities down when we're done. Oh, as one of our subscribers recently said, you'd be able to heat this place with a candle. So addition out the back, slope, a steeper pitch, dormer, bathroom, kitchenette at the front, garage here, loft, primary bedroom upstairs, staircase at the back. Okay, all the mud, it's everywhere. Comes with the territory. It's wet season here. It's the end of May. Everything's underwater. The water table's high, and we're right at the lake, and there's whatever. That's why we live in a garage. All right, pizza on the menu tonight. Let's go home. Hi, Stevie. Hi, Steffi. Hi, Tom. Hi, Stevie. Did you miss me today? This is what I see. Success. No leaks. Not a one. Filled it with water, it stayed. Nothing underneath. No signs of water anywhere. It's open underneath, so if water, had anywhere to go, you'd see it. Do you see the waves out there today? Tom, don't move. You're fine. Ocean's rough today. That's Lake Erie on the Ontario, Canada side. It's away out there. Don't move, Tom. Hello, Stevie.
Pre-cook the top of the crust.
Pre-cook the top of the crust? We should probably light the barbecue with the wind out there and try and get an oven going. Are you hungry? One thing with these store-bought crusts, I always like to toast the top where the toppings are gonna go. Can you even hear me? I smell Bernie. Ah! Oh yeah, see? Not the best quality here. Okay, let's go check that out. I keep picking up the chairs and they just keep toppling back over. Let's go see what treasures floated up today. A funnel. I'll get down there and get that. Not right now. Tomorrow. Still wouldn't trade this for anything. Well, homemade pizzas today. Nothing fancy. Store-bought crust. So I'll save you the cook. Ingredients on the pizza crust, on the barbecue, melt the cheese, get the heck out of the wind. That's what's on for the agenda. Peace and love from Canada's most southern mainland shoreline. Give somebody close to you a hug, tell them they matter. Don't forget, you matter. Thank you for stopping by and hanging out with us today. If you like this content, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We will catch you on the next one. Enjoy 20 seconds of this.